Hi everybody, welcome to my series of videos to make summaries of what is going on at the GARRM workshop here in Prague. So yesterday Matej Nesnal started the workshop with a fantastic idea. He created an artificial voice using AI of the great Marie Sklodowska-Curie. And this is why we had the first presentation given by Marie Curie. It was brilliant, Matej. Thank you very much for this fantastic idea. Then we started the workshop with several sessions. The first session was dealing with an update of the United Kingdom radon map. So we attended presentations given by Zornica Daracheva from the UK NHSA, and Antonio Ferreira from the British Geological Survey. Myself, I presented about the radon action plans in Europe, and after the coffee break, we continue with the workshop and different presentations about, especially coming from the Balkans and from Slovakia, dealing with, for example, how radon is measured in a karst environment. And also a presentation about radon in Niskabania, one of the radon spas in Europe. After the lunch, the Spanish delegation presented the updates on a project they are running at the moment about different simulations and mechanisms about how radon entry into the building. And in the last presentation of the day, Peter Bosev gave us an overview of something like a citizen science project dealing with some external gamma dose rate measurements by citizens all over the world under the umbrella of the project called SafeCast. You can find this in internet, and how these results correlate with indoor radon. Yeah, that's what's, and of course, the day finished with presentations by the exhibiting companies. We had presentations given by Bertin, Radonova, Miam, and Eurofins. So thank you very much for the organizers again. And today we have the second day of the workshop with the social activity in the evening, and be ready for my summary tomorrow of the second day of the Geological Aspects on Radon Risk Mapping workshop here in Prague. Bye bye and hello to everybody.